People I thought I knew, guess I never did. I was there in the dark when they needed it. Carried their weight, never asked for much, but when I needed them, I lost their touch. They said family, said friend, like it meant the same. Truth came out when I spoke my name. When I drew that line and I made my stand, that's the night they turned and ran. Yeah, they thought I'd break, thought I'd fall right back. Didn't know the fire they were waking in my chest. They threw me to the wolves, thought I wouldn't survive, but they didn't know. I swear I come alive. I was lost in the shadows, I was afraid of the dark, till I realized I am the light, burning here in my heart. They never saw the wild I kept locked inside. All those years I just let it slide. Kept it quiet, kept my head down low. Let them think they had control. I always knew the truth, just played my role. Let them write their lies, let them take their toll. But the moment came, I stepped aside. Let that wolf out I used to hide. Yeah, they thought the bite would tear me apart. Didn't know the strength I was guarding in my heart. They threw me to the wolves, thought I wouldn't survive, but they didn't know. That's where I come alive. I ain't running from shadows, I don't fear the dark, 'cause I realized I am the light, burning here in my heart, burning here in my heart. Oh, I didn't know what I had in me. Hell, sometimes I forgot who I could be. But something woke up deep in my bones. Now I'm standing here, I'm not alone. Hear them howling, they know my name. This ain't the man they used to blame. No more silence, no remorse. I found my truth, I found my cause. They threw me to the wolves, now I'm leading the way. Every scar they left just lit up my way. Now I shine through the shadows, I don't fear the dark. Yeah, I realized I am the light, burning here in my heart. I always lived, just stayed in the back. Now the wolf's awake, and I'm leading the pack.